Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the EarFun Free Pro 2 True Wireless Earbuds with Hybrid Active Noise Cancellation. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $79.99. Now I do have a discount code, so if you like what you see, put the code in at checkout and it'll save you 30%. So your total price will be $55.99. I repeat, $55.99. All right, so let's go through all of the specs. Now, these are Bluetooth version 5.2. They're IPX5 sweat and water resistant. You got 6mm dynamic drivers. You got hybrid active noise cancellation with transparency mode. You got 6 mics for crystal clear phone calls. 80 millisecond low latency mode, perfect for gaming with no lag. The battery life on these is 6 hours on a single charge with an additional 24 hours using a charging case. Now that's with active noise cancellation turned off. If you turn on ANC, you're going to get 5 hours on a single charge with an additional 20 hours using a charging case. Now you also have quick charge, so 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours worth of playtime, and the case does have wireless charge. All right, so all of that for $55.99. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. All right, EarFun Free Pro 2. Now, shout out to EarFun. One of the best things that I like about these earbuds, the price, okay? $55.99, but the bass, okay? These have the most bass for the cheapest price. Let me say it like that. If you're looking for the earbuds for the cheapest price that have the most bass, check out EarFun. All right, let's go ahead and pop these open. Let's see, we got the zombie killer today. Right. Here we go. EarFun Free Pro 2. Now, I reviewed the last version of these. Like I said, these are strictly for bass heads. Okay, if you love bass, you're going to love these. All right, let's go ahead and check these out. Nice white box. I know I like that. Giggity. Here we go. Okay, so let's see what you get inside. Okay, flick of the wrist. Now, this is going to be your usual books and shit. Let's go ahead and pop them out anyway. Okay. Plug them and file them. Let's see what else you get. Now, you do have some different size ear tips. So you got small, medium, and large. This is going to be a USB Type-C charging cable. Let's check the length on this one. Okay. Not that long. Giggity. And one more. Let's see what else you get. Now, you're going to get some ear tips with the hooks. Okay. So if you're using these for workout earbuds, add the little wing tips on them. They'll stay in your ears even better. Okay. Plug it and file it. All right. Sound better. Better sound, better life. Okay. That's pretty much it. Let's take a look at the earbuds. Okay. Now I'm having a little sticker struggle right here. Angle levels increasing. Okay. Here it goes. Let's keep it low. Okay. Bang. Just like that. Let's go ahead and take these plastics off. Okay. So we get that charge, drop them back in the case, and here it is. Okay, so these are the EarFun Free Pro 2, $55.99. All right, so let me pause the video. I'll grab a phone, and then we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. First, let's check the case for wireless charge. Now, I got the Razer wireless charger. You see the light on the bottom? If you put a product on it that has wireless charge, you see the light start flashing. Here we go. Okay, lights are flashing. LED popped up. Wireless charge on deck. Now let's take a look at the charging case. Made out of plastic, small and lightweight. EarFun branded on the top. USB Type-C charging slot on the back. LED on the front. Simple and clean. Now let's check the magnet strength. We're going to start off with minimum shakage. Okay, no movement. Intermediate shakage. No movement. Maximum shakage. Bah! No movement at all. Excellent strength for your magnets. Now let's take a closer look at the actual earbuds. You got some EarFun branding on each one. Right and left on the inside. Your little wing tips. There's your LED indicator lights. Very small and discreet. Now, y'all know I hate the pencil style buds. These look way better. Okay, so now I'm going to put these in my ears, and then we'll check the fit the feel, and the look. Okay, now when you put them in, adjust the hooks to the size of your ears. They're sitting nice and snug. I feel some noise isolation. So far, so good. Now let's do the head shake test. I'm going to start with minimum shakage. Okay, side to side, up and down, no movement. Let's take it over to intermediate shakage. Okay, side to side, up and down, no movement. Now let's take it over to maximum shakage. No movement at all. The hooks are doing the job. Now let me show you how they're going to look. Nice and discreet. Yeah, I know I hate those long stems, so these look way better. All right, so let's pair them up. Okay, now for the pairing process, real simple. I just opened up the case. Let's take these out. You see EarFun Free Pro 2. Click on it. Now you do have a voice prompt. It said connected, just that fast. Now for the most important part of any earbud video, the sound test. I got a classic song queued up. We got Michael Jackson, PYT. Now I'm going to start off at max volume with ANC turned on. And I promise y'all I'm not going to sing because I don't know the words. But I do got the karaoke lyrics queued up just in case. And I got a mic just in case. All right, here we go. Birdman hands rubbing together. Double tap for playing pause. Let's get it on. Okay. Now these are definitely mad loud. So far, nice clarity. Okay, let's go. Where did you come from, lady? Take me there. Let's go. Lonely you got to be, but by nature you can fly with me. Don't you know now is the perfect time? We can make it night through the city lights. Then tonight is the perfect day. Let me take you there. I want to love you. PYT, pretty young thing. You need some loving. TLC, tender loving care. And I take you there. Let's go. One more time, y'all. Want to love you. PYT, pretty young thing. You need some loving. TLC, tender loving care. Okay, hold on. Yo. Hold up. Bro, I got to keep it real with y'all. EarFun delivers again. Do not let the price of these earbuds fool you. These sound great. Okay, they really do. Now, let me take it over to a song with some more bass. Let's go to YouTube Music. Let's take it over to some Nipsey Hussle, Blue Laces 2. Y'all know how we do it. Okay, here we go. Let's check the bass. All right, here it goes. Hold up. Oh my God! Wow! That's what I'm talking about. Y'all know I'm a bass lover. Let's go. Mogul, they know that. Woo! Wow! Hold up. Wow. Bro. You see what I'm saying? Technology has come a long way. You do not have to pay $200 for nice sounding earbuds. Now, of course, you're not going to have all of the bells and whistles. You're not going to have God tier noise cancellation. But if you want a regular pair of earbuds that sound good and you like a lot of bass, you really need to check these out. Now, look, I know what y'all saying. I'm always hyped up. Don't take my word for it. Go to Amazon, read the reviews for yourself. I am not overhyping these. These sound great. And for $55.99, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. This is an automatic win. Let's do a little bit more testing though. Now let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them out and put them in the charging case? Now if you notice on the bottom, it says EarFun Free Pro 2. They're fully connected. Let's take them out, put them in the case. Wait for these to fully disconnect. Okay, here we go. Take them out. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Okay, it said connected in my ear on 3 Mississippi, and it's connected. So let's hit the music. Just like that. 3 Mississippis. That's pretty good. Now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud while the other one is charging up in the case? Okay, here we go. Y'all see the music is playing? I'm going to take out the left side. Just drop it in the case. Close it up. The right side is still playing. Put the left side back in. Wait for it to reconnect. Okay, there it is. Take out the right side. Drop it in the case. Close it up. The left side is still playing. So this is dope. You can play music from either earbud while the other one is charging up in the case, doubling your battery life. Now let's check the touch controls. For play and pause and the answer and end phone calls, you're going to double tap on the right or left earbud. Okay, there it is. Now for volume up, single press on the right earbud. Okay. For volume down, single press on the left earbud. There it is. Now if you want to skip to the next song, triple press the right earbud. Okay, there it is. Now if you want to toggle between ambient sound mode, active noise cancellation, and normal, you're going to tap and hold the left earbud twice. You'll hear a voice prompt to let you know what mode you're in. Now if you want to turn on game mode, you're going to hit the left earbud 3 times. And for voice assistant, tap and hold the right earbud twice. What's the weather for today? Okay, so all of the touch controls work. The only thing you can't do is go back to the previous track. All right, so now let's check the call quality. I'm going to call up my girl real quick. Okay. Phone is ringing. Let's get max volume. Let's see if she's going to answer this early. Hi, girlie. What's up? What you doing? What you watching? Vanderplump? Oh, okay. No Three's Company tonight? Taking a break? All right, check this out. I'm in the middle of shooting a video. I need a no BS assessment. How do I sound? Sound mad loud? All right, sound loud and clear. All right, but let me talk regular, because I do be talking kind of loud. What about now? Hold on, let me throw in the sexy voice. All right, what about now? Sound better? All right, hold up. Now, check this out. I'm gonna throw in the Brookstone fan. What about the wind noise? You can hear the wind? Sound nice and windy? Okay, what about now? Okay, can you hear me? Would you be able to? That's all right. I had the fan right on my ear. All right, what about now? Would you be able to have a full conversation with me with the sound like this? Like, can you, like say we're just talking regular, would this bother you? Okay, yeah, okay, so the wind, all right, so no good with that. All right, let me turn up. What about now? What if we were just having a regular conversation right now? Would this be good? All right, nice and clear. All right, bet. All right, let me get back to the video. Thank you. All right, back. Okay, now when I pulled out the Brookstone fan, I gotta keep it real with y'all. She said it sounded kind of trash, but most earbuds do. But without the wind noise, just regular phone conversation. She said I sounded extra loud and clear. She sounded fine to me. $55.99, no issues with the call quality. All right, so I just turned on gaming mode, which is also perfect for watching videos. So that's gonna give you low latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Okay, now I got Larry David's Lampin clip on. Okay, no delay at all. Synced up perfectly. All right, so these earbuds will be perfect for watching your videos. All right, so now let's talk about ambient sound mode and active noise cancellation. Now, as far as ambient sound mode, it works perfectly. You can have your music on full volume. If you want to have a conversation without taking your earbuds off, turn on ambient sound mode, and you can have that conversation. You'll be able to hear other people. You'll be able to hear all your surroundings. Perfect for walking around outside at night, riding your bike, or having your earbuds on at work when you need to still hear your coworkers. Now, as far as active noise cancellation, y'all know I got 3 tiers. We got trash tier, okay tier, and top tier. I'm going to rank these at okay tier level. Okay, not the best in the world, not the worst. Okay, when you turn on active noise cancellation, you can hear a difference. It will drown out a little bit of noise in the background, but these are definitely not the Sony M4s. okay? Not the AirPod Pros, but they're okay. Okay, they're okay. Keep this in mind. $55.99, they're okay. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the EarFun Free Pro 2s a major go. And for $55.99, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. These gotta be the most bass-heavy budget earbuds that I've used yet. Now, a lot of budget earbuds, when they throw on a lot of bass, it tends to get muddy. These have a lot of bass, and you still got clarity. For $55.99, these are a certified win. All right, the holiday season is right around the corner. These make a perfect gift, perfect stocking stuffer, and a perfect set of earbuds if you're not trying to spend an arm and a leg. Anyway, EarFun Free Pro 2s, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. Special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock wanted to beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.